Have you been told that turban is not a hijab? Me too. So let's talk about the difference between the hijab and the turban. Hijab is a head and body covering that is worn by Muslim women in the presence of adult males who are not their immediate family. The turban is also a type of head covering that is worn by both men and women for cultural, religious, and personal reasons. I struggled with wearing the hijab at first. During that time, I went through a turban stage where I wore a turban instead of a hijab. While it did feel more comfortable at the time because my neck was exposed, eventually I realized that it wasn't fully fulfilling the requirement of the hijab. Do I believe that Muslim women should never wear turbans? No, because there is a way of wearing the turban where your aura is fully covered, and I believe that's okay. However, for me personally, I have since moved on from wearing a turban, and I attribute that to a personal style change. Looking back now on my journey, if I didn't go through a turban stage, I wouldn't be where I am today. When I was working through my turban stage, the judgmental comments only made it harder for me to commit to hijab. So I would never ever judge a woman for her hijab struggles. So I believe it's okay to go through different stages and make changes accordingly as you grow and learn more about your faith. Take your time and figure it out at your own pace. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all on our journey of faith.